Capitals.
Yes, so the Capitals got their win.
Yes.
I will give props for that. My Penguins also got a win. However,
Three overtimes.
3 overtimes. I'm running on a couple of hours of sleep,
Yes.
and that was of my own doing. But yeah,
Yes.
needless to say, they kept me awake.
Exactly. 'Tis the season, hockey season,
Yeah,
playoff
it's the
season.
hockey playoffs. I love it. I love it.
Awesome.
But that also means, again, I mentioned this yesterday, spring-like weather
Yes.
is in the forecast. And we're talking about some of that rain that moved through yesterday.
Absolutely.
Still impacting us here today. Check it out. Out there right now, we still have a flood warning from the rain last night. And that's in Fairfax County, Virginia, where some of those small streams, low-lying areas just outside of the Beltway, just outside of Fairfax, is still dealing with some of that water. So this flood warning is still in effect until 12:45. This got extended from its original expiration time of 7:45 a.m. So again, across Fairfax County, Virginia, still dealing with some of that high water. So please keep an eye out for that on some of the side roadways in that county. On the satellite and radar picture, though, thankfully, we have not been dealing with any additional rainfall. The clouds have certainly been stubborn. They haven't gone anywhere. Now, the cold front of this latest storm system is crossing the Interstate 81 corridor. A couple of storms popping up down near Woodstock, one just outside of Charlestown, and some more activity back across southern Pennsylvania. But notice how that line of storms is very broken. And as that front continues eastward, once it's gone, the chance for storms goes with it. So we're going to continue to watch how this front progresses throughout the rest of the afternoon and evening, as we will hold on with a slight storm chance until this does clear the area. And then we're going to see things a little bit more on the quiet side as we go into this evening. What it's also going to do is clean out some of these warmer temperatures. It's warming up into the 70s and upper 60s out ahead of the front. Where we get some sunshine is where it's going to be a bit on the warmer side, but once we clear things out, it's going to start to cool down as we go toward the second half of the week here. So we're still going to deal with a few storms out there this afternoon, but we are trending in a more quiet direction as we go into the day on Thursday, and we also bring in those slightly cooler temperatures like I mentioned. Now, this does set us up for the next storm system that's going to bring another batch of very soaking rainfall Friday and Saturday. Add that on to the inch plus that we got from last night's storms. Well, we're looking at a very soggy forecast here over the next few days. But at least for the time being, there's that line of storms again, steadily developing. As that front moves off to the east, we have our best chance of seeing storms through the mid to late afternoon, close to the I-95 corridor, where it's most likely to be on the soggy side of things. Everybody else, though, should stay dry back to the west as we go into this evening. The cloud cover will start to break up as we go into the night tonight, and we usher in some of that cooler air for your Thursday. And all in all, tomorrow's looking pretty decent, but we will bring back some cloud cover as we go into your Thursday night as that next storm system approaches, but it won't start raining until Friday morning. But once it starts, it's not likely to stop very much over the next couple of days from there through Friday and Saturday. So let's check out how these temperatures respond. Again, there's that warmth out ahead of the cold front where we could still easily hit the upper 70s, possibly a couple of lower 80-degree readings in the metro areas. But into tonight, with that sky clearing out and the cold front moving to the east, we will not get all that cold tonight. We should wake up to low temps in the lower to middle 50s. It's pretty status quo for what we've had so far this week. But as we get into the afternoon tomorrow, we dial things down a little bit. We're only going to have high temps reaching toward the 70-degree mark, and then it gets even chillier, 60s and upper 50s with all of that rainfall in the forecast both Friday and Saturday. Have to keep an eye out for possibly a couple of minor flooding issues with how much rain we're going to see, but at the very least, it's going to quiet down just in time for the end of the weekend and Mother's Day.